this tutorial, we are going to show you how to set up your gradebook so it is a rolling gradebook. The first thing you're going to want to do is, in your PowerTeach gradebook, is to click on the Grade Setup tab, which I've done already. Then what we're going to do is over here on the left-hand side, right next to where it says Filter Off, there's a plus symbol. We're going to click plus, and we're going to be adding a category, and this category is going to be called Quarter 3. So I'm just going to put Q3 for both the name and the abbreviation. And now if you want to, you can go ahead and choose a different color, or you can put points possible as like 100 or whatever. You can do whatever, but you at least need to put the name as Q3 and the abbreviation as Q3. And then you'll click OK. Once you click OK, you'll see that it appears over here on the left-hand side. This one happens to be right underneath Project. We have a Q3. Now, once we do that, we're going to go up in your grade setup. We're going to double click on the quarter 4. When you double click, you'll see that you'll have your categories pop up here. Now, these categories are already set up, and it just depends on your class to what percentages you want to give to certain things like tests, quizzes, homework, bell ringers in this case. In which this teacher has bell ringers as 15%, homework is 10, quizzes in 35, and tests is in 40. Now, as long as that adds up to 100, what you have for the weight is going to match up with the percent. Now, what's nice about PowerTeacher is I'm going to add the quarter 3 category in here, but I'm not going to need to worry about how to figure up the different percentages for my bell ringers, homework, and quiz and test because it does it automatically. So all that I'm going to have to do here, I make sure that I have the category weights checked here, and I have all of my things added. I'm going to go ahead and add one more category by clicking the plus button down here. Now after that, I'm going to check mark the quarter 3, and then just click OK. You'll see that it pops in, and it has a 0 for the weight. All that I have to do now is put in 100%, or just 100, and then I can click off of it, and I want to click each of my categories where the percent is, and as I click it, you can see that the percentages change. So where it used to be 15%, it's now 7.5%. It has basically just reset itself in order to get that quarter 3 in there. And basically what this does is it takes your quarter 3 final grade and adds it into the quarter 4, which now makes it more of a rolling system. So quarter 4 doesn't start at 0, it starts off where quarter 3 ended. So once you've done that, you want to make sure that you hit save, and it will save those different percentages in there. Now we need to set up the actual semester 2 so it actually records it correctly. I'm going to come up here, I'm going to double click on, or I'm just going to click on the semester 2, and you can see that it's by term. We have quarter 3, quarter 4, and final exam 2. Usually you would have a 45, 45, 10 split here, but we're going to actually change it. We're going to give quarter 3 a weight of 0, and we're going to give quarter 4 a weight of 90, and we're going to leave the exam as 2. And the reason we can do that is because our quarter 3 grade is already figured into our quarter 4 grade. So it would be actually redundant if we would give any weight to quarter 3. Once you've done that, go ahead and hit save. And you have finally set up your grade book so it fits into a rolling grade book fashion. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. One thing I do want to tell you is the reason we made that category for quarter 3, what you're going to do is after quarter 3 has a final grade, you're going to input an assignment or like an assignment into quarter 4, and you're going to choose the category of Q3 and then put the percentage or whatever they scored out of 100 for the final grade. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and if you have any questions, please let us know.